Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I have the world's cutest mom with me.
No prejudice there.
My mom was here and I said, oh, you should do a video with me, Mom. Wouldn't that be fun? Anyway, she's like, well, I will. I'll go on the camera, but I don't want to do too much. I'm like, no, you don't have to. But to keep my mom from talking is insane. She's a talker. Are you a talker?
I'll try my best.
No, she is a talker normally, but she doesn't want to talk on this video very much, so we're not going to make her. I am doing today a Coach unboxing, a box of Coach purses. The last time I opened one of these, someone bought the whole box. Like, it was a really good one. I hope this is a good one too. These are, I think they're 100 or 120 plus tax and shipping. This one's kind of heavy, but it's one of their smaller boxes. So, I don't know what is in here. I'm super excited. I can't believe I waited this long.
Isn't she fun to watch?
Well, she might be a little biased, you know.
We all get caught up in her excitement. I know that.
Yes, Mom, if you want to, you can, right there is where you look to, oh no, right up there is where you look.
Okay.
In case you want to look at the people. Anyway, my mom's name is Corrine, and I just adore my mom. I got no beefs with my mom. She's the best mom. I love hanging out with her. Don't we have fun?
Again, no prejudice there.
No.
We do have a lot of fun.
We do. All right, so here's the box. I'm going to open her up, and my mom's going to help. She's not a big purse gal like, us. Are you? You don't.
No.
I mean, you like them, but you don't love purses.
I love the look, but the price is out of my budget.
Yeah. So my mom, anyway, yes. I love purses and stuff like that. She goes more for the home. If we go to TJ Maxx, she goes to the home decor section or the home goods or whatever.
She's right. I love that section.
All right, it's $100 plus tax and shipping. So I think they come out to 20. Let's see, you get 5. I believe you get 3 bags. I don't even know. We're going to find out. I don't even remember what I get in the Coach box anymore. I think it's 5 things total. 4 bags and an accessory.
Oh. Ooh.
All right, here is the first look. I see a good one on top.
That looks nice. I even like that one.
Yeah. All right, we're going to start out with this really cute. Oh, this is a nice one. Isn't it?
That's really nice.
It's like one of those
black.
dome bags. Yeah, it's black, and I don't even know if this is coated canvas. The bummer, this one's in really, really good shape except one thing. I can't find anything wrong with it. The inside is clean. I'm going to show you the creed here. It's too shiny probably to see, but you can see it's in there. This definitely looks like a real one to me. The way it's made is nice. The only problem is the handles have some, see that?
Somewhere, yes.
Some edge coat coming off there. So this one needs to be, you could just glue it down though. Because the bag's in really good condition. There's the bottom.
And is there a shoulder strap inside for it?
I don't know. It's a good question though. No, there's not.
No.
There's no shoulder strap. Good point Mom makes. Okay. So you'd have to, but it's easy. You could just have your own too. It does come with the hang tag. And by the way, I'm going to have pricing on the screen. So these will all be for sale. I need another purse like I need a hole in the head. I do not need another purse.
Agreed.
Yeah, she knows. Anyway, this is really cute. And the only thing wrong with it I can see is the handles. And
This is really very nice.
It is. It's clean, isn't it?
Yes. It looks like it's brand new, except for the handles.
Yeah, except for the handle. The Coach logo, it's a newer style, I believe, because here's the Coach hardware. So that's a great first bag to pull out, don't you think?
Yep, that would start your day well.
Yes. All right, well, the next one is, oh gosh, there's some good ones in here. The next one is a hot pink. What do you think of this one?
No, that wouldn't be for me.
How come? No? You don't like the leather? Or
it's hot pink. Everything is black and white in my world.
She does wear a lot of black and white, as seen on the shirt she's wearing. She would probably never wear an AC/DC shirt. I don't think you would. No. All right, here is the bag. It's like I don't know what style this is, but it's really clean and it's in good shape.
It's a cute bag,
isn't it?
As bags go. It's just the bright pink. You'd have to have something that coordinates with that.
Yeah, that's true. There's a couple marks on here, like right here. There's a little mark. So, but it's nothing too crazy. The handle's in great condition so far, and then we've got the hang tag here. So far, pretty good condition. Now I'm a little bit afraid to look inside. But that is completely unwarranted because it's so clean, isn't it?
Oh, it looks perfect.
Yeah.
There's no
See
marks.
there's no marks in there. There's 2 slip pockets on this side. And on the other side, of course, is the Creed and the zip pocket. So I'm just going to pull this out and show to you. The inside is very clean. Yeah, this is a great one. It's another really good one.
It's a nice size.
Yeah, it is a nice
Fits
size.
most of them. I'm 5'1", and so I don't like a great big purse, but this would work well.
Yeah. I'm going to just show you the zipper, and it works great. The other one, we didn't do the zipper on the other one, so we're going to. Yep. Perfect. Zipper works perfectly. All right, we got 2 really good ones so far. Super happy. Don't you love how heavy the hardware is on this thing?
Yeah, clunk.
Yep.
Yep.
You wouldn't want to get hit in the head with it.
No, you would not.
It's a bit heavy.
It's a very nice fabric.
Isn't it?
This is leather.
Yeah, you mean the leather?
Yeah, it's very soft.
It is nice. All right, the next one. Oh my gosh, this is an expensive bag right here. Oh my gosh. This is a newer style. Wait till you see it. Look at that.
Did you get caught up in that excitement? It is nice. That's a Coach.
Yeah, that's Coach. Yep, these are all Coach, of course.
Oh, is this?
Huge. Yeah, this is a box of Coach purses.
Oh,
I probably didn't even
gotcha.
tell you that.
No, okay.
That they're all Coach. Okay, this is the hang tag. It's a big one. And then look at the hardware on this bad boy.
That's a nice looking purse. That doesn't even look like it's been used.
No, it doesn't. It's got a long strap and a short strap. And then I'm gonna. Oh, it's in such good shape. It's gonna be really hard not to keep this one. Look at that. Look at that.
Because she needs another
She's
purse.
laughing at me because she knows. Because I have a pair of Magnolia Pearl pants on today. And I got them in the mail yesterday. I was wearing them even if they didn't fit me, but they fit me perfectly, which I love. I love. Okay. Anyway, back to this purse that looks like nobody used it ever. I mean, maybe a little. There's the back. It's in such good shape, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just the hardware is so nice. Oh my gosh, this leather is luxurious. Okay, the inside is good. There's just a little bit of where, like right, I'm going to show you right here. It's a little bit, some discolor right up here, but not much. But it's got that pretty blue satin interior. What do you think?
That's a pretty purse.
Isn't it?
Yeah. You can see on the pocket there's some
there's some marks
stains
on the pocket. Yeah. So there's some minor discolor on the inside, but the outside is unbelievable. Like, how do you clasp this thing? Okay, you just go like this. Hey, do it on camera so people can see it. Now I'm trying to do it backwards. There. And then you just pull it down like that. Oh, it's so cute. You don't ever have to undo this thing because it's really just for the outer pocket anyway. This is the best one in the bag, I think, but this is gorgeous. And on the inside there is a two slots, 2 slip pockets, and of course the zip pocket. Almost all of them have that for Coach. Here is the Creed. If you can, it's a little easier to see than the shiny ones. What do you think, Mom?
I think that's a nice one.
Isn't it?
I wouldn't even mind that one.
Oh, she's gonna. She'll be doing these videos with me.
We might be doing fighting over.
Yeah, right. All right, there's one more bag, but first we're gonna get to this absolutely adorable accessory. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, which would look really cute with this pink bag.
Ooh, you're not wrong. Oh my heavens. Isn't that cute?
It's cute.
So cute. Let's make sure this works, which it does. And the inside is clean. It's got a little tag in there.
And then this hold all your
Coach
cards.
tag. Yeah, this side has all your cards. So if you just want to put this in your pocket, or you gotta have a big pocket. It's kind of long. I don't think that would fit in a pocket, do you?
No.
But it's really cute, and it's got this, and then the zip. You can see the inside. There we go. I like this. This, like Mom said, this would be good with this purse, which I do believe it would. It's like a little wallet to put in there. I love it. All right, we have one bag left. So far, I don't even care. I don't.
So exciting.
I know. See, Mom is starting to realize why these are so fun to do. Right?
You get to see them firsthand.
Yes. Oh, this one's
this
so
is cute too.
Cute. Oh my gosh.
Stiffer.
A little stiffer, yeah. This is kind of like a. Oh my heavens. Also a newer style. It's kind of crunched. I'm going to try to open it here. All right. All right, here it is. Oh my gosh.
It's got
It looks
a
like
nice, flat, wide bottom.
it does. There's the bottom.
Clean.
Great condition. Yeah, really clean. And then it's got the silver, and then here is the logo up close, really pretty. It's got, okay, so it's denim blue, kind of. Let me show you up close. It's a denim blue, and then it's got silver leather accents.
Yes.
The handles are in good condition. I don't see any color or any edge coat coming off. This is a nice one. So far, I don't see any hang tag, but is it in here somewhere? No. There's no hang tag that comes with it. The inside's pretty clean.
Wow, impressive.
Yeah, we used to get these boxes, and then you'd get the most beat up purses that looked like someone kicked them across the street. And it was like.
But this one, oh yes.
That is such a cute one. The leather's so luxurious
Yes,
on
it's
it.
very soft.
And this one's nice too. Okay, so there's the denim one. That's got 2 slip pockets, and I'm going to show you the creed. It's got gray interior. And then the interior, I'm just trying to show you, but it's in good condition. So, and the zipper, does the zipper work? Whoopsies. Yep, the zipper works. It zips a little bit hard. I think that's because it was kind of misshapen a little. I mean, when you put stuff in it, it'll be fine. This is in great condition. All the ones I got are in great condition.
Wow.
I can't believe it. So we've got one more time. We've got the blue one. We've got the one that my mom's going to steal when I'm not looking. We've got the Coach little card thingy. We've got the hot pink leather. And we've got the beautiful first one that we did, which was the logo C one.
This one also is very nice.
Yeah, which one's your favorite?
The black, solid black one.
Which one's your least favorite?
The pink one.
Yeah. I like the pink one. I love pink. And that matched my hair when I started on YouTube. So anyway, these are all going to be for sale. I will have prices on the screen. And let me know what you think. We should bring her back for more videos.
I'll bring my pens that I make next time.
Wait till you see. I wish I had one next to me, but I have it in my office. She takes beads from necklaces and other places and makes, I know it sounds crazy. She makes pens, and they're really nice pens. My friend Lisa saw them, and she's like, how many do you have? I want them all.
And
They're
did.
so cute. Wait till you see them. I think I might do a sale of her pens, and you'll love them. I swear. All right. Thank you, everyone, for watching. We are going to go and hang out today. So, woo woo.
Thank you for letting me share this with her. It's always fun to spend time with Stephanie. She's always so highly excited that you get caught up in it. So, thank you.
Have a good day.